Okay, so my great idea today is to take these really pretty glass heart ornaments that I bought from Amazon, and they're nice quality actually, and there was a box of 6. They're 3.5 by 4 inches, and it was, what, I wrote it down for you, $12.99 for a box of 6 of these. Now what I'm going to do with them is I'm going to take gold leaf and I'm going to cover them with gold leafing, and I don't know if I want to cover it all or leave some of it clear, but I want to do that, and then we'll put it in like a bowl, and I think that would be a really pretty decoration for lots of things, but I think it would be perfect for Valentine's Day. So I just want to show you to start out with what exactly I purchased. So I purchased these. I got these on sheets of gold leafing, but they're not just gold, they are silver, gold, and then a rose. Oh no, these are, I forgot which one I had bought. Oh, so there's 300 of the actual sheets of color, but this has like a rose color, a definitely gold color, a coppery color, a different shade of rose color, silver. So I think it's a lot of gold, silver, rose, but there's, oh, I think that's blue. So anyway, that's what we're going to work with today. And I've worked with gold leafing before, but not in this way. I'm going to show you what the colors look like so you can kind of see. Hopefully you can see that. So that's what they look like. These sheets together was that was $12.55, and like I said, there was 300 of them. And then I got the gold leafing kit because I didn't have before the adhesive and the varnish, and so I bought that, and the kit itself is $15. So all of these things will last you for a really long time. I just wanted to show you what it was that came with all of this, and we will get started with our project. Here I'm getting the materials prepped by adding the adhesive to a little plastic cup, and I'm just adding a little bit of water in there and mixing it up, and that's what is suggested by the manufacturer. So I'm just following their instructions, and then I'm going to spray some rubbing alcohol on the glass and clean it off just to make sure I've removed any oils or fibers that might be on it. So when you start covering the adhesive onto your surface, you want to cover it with a thin, even coat. And then I place them in an egg carton, to dry. And it actually worked really well. It didn't stick to the glass. You want to leave them drying for 1 hour before you come back and add the gold leafing. So the surface of them won't be wet, it'll just be kind of sticky. So now I'm coming back to them, and after an hour of drying, and when you're taking the sheets of gold leaf to press on the glass, you can lay it anywhere and then pull pieces off of it to cover blank spaces. So I'm not like trying to take them and lay them perfectly on it. You want that sort of crinkled look to it. And then just kind of pressing it on, and make sure you're wearing gloves. It actually comes with 2 plastic gloves, but I'm just using rubber gloves that I have. You'll see that little pieces will start to fall off as you're putting it on, and that's no big deal. They can be added back to any empty spots. Remember, these don't have to be fully covered. I think it looks really nice to have a little bit of the glass showing in some places on them. And then the next step was to take the other dry brush and just smooth out the coating and brush away any flaky areas so that they're nice smooth surfaces. If you like this content, which I hope you do, please hit the thumbs up button and then give my subscribe button a tap so that you can see more of my videos. And if you click the little bell, you'll get a notification when my new videos are released. Did you see my last video where I made 3 tutorials for 3 Valentine's Day wreaths? It's really cute and they are easy to make. I'll put the link up in the corner of the screen. Another fun and easy project was my Valentine topiaries that I did last year, and I'll show that link in the upper corner as well. So after you get these all covered, finally what you're going to do is coat them with the sealant that comes in the kit. I'll link the supplies that you need for all of this project in the description. I think they look so cute, and it makes a really nice decoration or a pretty gift. So I laid mine there after I put the sealant on. I left them dry overnight, but I believe the bottle says to leave them for a couple hours. And don't worry if you see any of the coating because it dries clear. And be careful, they're really slippery when you put this sealant on them. I dropped them a couple times when I was doing this. Everything was okay though, don't worry. They just kind of bounced on my floor. I had the idea to do this for a couple months now, and I wasn't sure if I'd be able to find any kind of glass hearts like this. I was hoping they'd pop up somewhere in the dollar store, but in the Dollar Tree, but I never saw them, so I ordered them online from Amazon, and like I said, they weren't very expensive. It was a set of 6, so and I love that the metal is all different colors. Hi. Okay, so I finished. I still have these pieces of like gold leafing blowing around in here, but I did finish them all. I put the varnish on them as I showed you, and now they're just gonna dry, and then I think I will put these back in them, and at the very end I will show you a picture of them in the bowl. But I think they look so pretty. I really do, and I think that that's gonna be, it's gonna look really nice in a bowl. And then I think that then maybe I'll put them in with my Christmas decorations, and I can put them on people's presents at Christmas time on the outside, or give them as a gift, or put them on my own tree. So these are not going to go to waste after Valentine's Day, that's for sure. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I did with the gold leafing and all the other shades of metallic leafing that I did. And I think they look so pretty on these hearts. And I think you're gonna see me doing more gold leafing on other projects because I thought it was a lot of fun, and I think it turns out really cool. It completely reformed transformed the glass hearts into something completely different. So like I said, I'll show you a picture of these at the very end of this video, and thanks again for watching. See you next time. Bye.